Do you know what I wonder? What I've been thinking. So, am I an adult or am I a kid? Like, I know I'm an adult, like I'm nearly 23. I know I'm an adult, but do people older than me, like say in the 40s, look at me and think I'm a woman or I'm a girl? Like, which one am I? I don't understand. Like, younger people will look at me as an adult, but what do older people view me as? Because I still think I'm fucking 16 in my head. Like I do. I don't feel adult at all. Not a percentage of me feels adult. Apart from, obviously, that I have Lottie and a house and a dog and, like, practically a husband. But I still feel like a kid. I don't know.